What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you a new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. As you can see, I have the car running. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions. And my first thought and opinion is that this thing runs great. The throttle response on this car is really nice. As you can see, it is finished in a yellow paint. It is X22 trim tag car SS. As you see, it's got the big block. It's got the back, the painted black, just like the big blocks had. Camaro SS badges. The paint's really nice. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions. Let me go ahead and give it one more rev and then give it, turn it off so you can hear it. So as you can see, I'm in the interior now. Interior's in pretty decent shape. A few little rips here. This badge is crooked. Easy fixes. They sell these pads. They're pretty affordable for you to do. These badges, you could just take that off, realign it. Dash pad's in great shape. The steering wheel's in nice shape. It appears to be an original. Your dash is in pretty good shape, except up here, a little bit of cracking, nothing major. Like I said, not perfect interior, but pretty darn close to it. You got your switch for your fuel pump here, I believe, and it's got electric fans in the front. Horn works, of course. You got your horseshoe shifter. Center console's in great shape. They put a JVC radio there. They didn't really cut up the dash too much. Put it in there. Your climate controls. Other than that, those little flaws, you got some of the trim missing over there. Your seats are in good shape. Your headliner's in pretty good shape. Not many flaws, just tiny rips there. That's pretty much it. Very presentable car, but the paint, the body is extremely straight on this car. I will tell you that. The paint's bright. It's kind of a bumblebee. It's very nice, actually, the paint. As you can see, really straight, this car. Not many flaws in the paint. Whoever painted it was a really good painter. You could tell just by, you know, the quality of the paint job on this car is really nice. Which is what counts, because paint jobs go to be like $20,000 when they're in this quality. And it's a really nice paint job. And, you know, we get a lot of calls of people asking, you know, to see extra videos and, you know, oh, we want to make sure the paint's good. You know, if you watch the video of the car, you know, I try to tell you as much as I could. I'm real honest. There's a little bit of dust, which naturally comes. I adjusted the car off, obviously, and black, anything with black, the dust just comes right back. Your trunk floor is immaculate. It's perfect. It does appear that they put quarter panels on this car. Looks like full quarter. No, I don't think they were full quarters. But there is no stamping here, so they probably were full quarters. Or they replaced two halves of it at different times, but they did a nice job. Like I said, the floor is solid. That's what matters. Hard to find these cars solid. You could tell it was always probably a pretty solid car. Your bumpers are in good shape, aligned great. No problems there. Car's probably never been in an accident. Like I said, you can see the body on this car is extremely straight. Like I said, whoever did the body work did a great job. Let's go ahead. Your windows roll up and down very nicely. A little bit of squeaking, but pretty normal. They do roll up nicely, though. Let's go put this key back where it was. Like I said, the interior, not perfect, but really it's presentational. I mean, you know, it's presentable, and you could present it with no problem. The exterior of this car is really nice. The engine bay is really nice. As you can see, somebody did paint it. I would touch this up if you want to make this car a show car. I touched this up a little bit. The engine could use some touching up, but other than that, it's pretty much really nice under here. It wouldn't take much to turn this car into a show car. Your headers, they were coated white at one time. Old school, love it. Got a Holley carb on there, the best carburetors. in my opinion. Wind intake manifold. This car runs really nice, drives really nice. HEI ignition, so you don't have to worry about the points. The thing runs great. You don't have to worry about the points. You know, the points, it's outdated. Don't need it. As you see, disc brakes in the front. I believe the back are drum. Yeah. So, like I said, outstanding car for the money. It being, we are pretty sure it's a real SS. That's what we were told, that it is a real SS. And it all checks out. It's a day-coded 396 under the hood. This is a really nice car. Great car. Not one of those cars that you have to be afraid to drive. It's not perfect, but it's up there in quality. The paint job is probably the nicest thing about it, other than it driving and running great. And then the interior, like I said, a few little things that it wouldn't take a lot. They sell everything for these cars. It's cost effective. It's stuff that you could do if you're not a mechanic. It's easy. So all the hard stuff is out of the way. You got a great engine, you got a great transmission, you got a beautiful paint job, and this car is a beautiful body. All the body lines are pretty much perfect. And you got one awesome color combination, that bumblebee color combination, just awesome. Yellow with the black stripes, you can't go wrong. I want to thank everybody for watching this video on our 69 Chevy Camaro. As usual, you know the deal. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. Call 847-848-1850. We have special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, enclosed, bonded, and insured. Send your zip code to the phone number 847-848-1850 for a enclosed shipping quote directly to your door. Insured everything. You have nothing to worry about with us. We have 200 cars. We're in the middle of moving stuff right now. That's why you got a couple empty spots. But we got about 200 cars that we own with no problems. We own them. So stop on by. Take a look at our inventory. I guarantee that you will be satisfied. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I hope to see you here soon at MGM Classic Cars, picking up this gorgeous 69 Camaro or any of our other cars that we have, because we got something for everybody. Remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. See you soon, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Mr. Jenkins out.